ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। In Sikh history, 5 Takht Sahib: Sri Akal Takht Sahib, Sri Amritsar, Takht Sri Harmandir Ji Sahib Patna Sahib, Takht Sri Kesgarh Sahib, Sri Anandpur Sahib, Takht Sri Hajur Sahib Nanded, Takht Sri Damdama Sahib Sabu Ki Talwandi। Welcome everyone. It's 2-day trip in Amritsar Gurdwaras, which was shot back in 2015. This is the list of 10 historical Gurdwaras in Amritsar. This is another historical place inside the Golden Temple, where Shaheed Baba Deep Singh Ji breathed his last breath after defeating the Durrani army. As Golden Temple is one of the most important religious temple, there is always a huge rush to get the blessings of Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Golden Temple domes made of full gold. The first Harmandir Sahib was built in 1604 by Guru Arjan Dev Ji, fifth Sikh Guru. Water in Sarovar is Amrit, that means holy water, which gave the city name Amritsar. Amrit Sarovar. In Golden Temple Sarovar, pilgrims come to take bath. It means Isnan in holy Sarovar. Sarovar was excavated by 4th Sikh Guru Ram Das Ji in 1577. The tank is said to have healing power, and pilgrims come from across the world and take bath in holy water. Langar is prepared daily in large amount by the volunteers and is served to everyone without any inequalities by the volunteers, and the taste of langar is so tasty every time. Kirtan at Amrit Vela. Early dawn. Shabad Kirtan start at early morning. It's indication for everyone that the door have been opened and Guru Granth Sahib Ji will be in Darbar soon. People start gathering in the pathway from Shri Akal Takht Sahib to Sri Harmandir Sahib to get a glimpse and touch Palki Sahib, to get the blessings of Shri Vaheguru Ji. In Darbar Sahib, there are 3 ancient ber trees: Dukpanjani Sahib Beri, Ber Baba Buddha Sahib Ji, and Lechi Ber. Ber Baba Buddha Sahib Ji, one of the oldest Juzvi tree, is considered more than 440-year-old, as this tree was associated with religious Sant Baba Buddha Ji. Ber Baba Buddha Sahib Ji is laden with lots of fruits. We sat under Ber tree, where fruit fell as blessings from holy shrine. We collected the ber from the floor and ate as a prasad. This is another historical place inside the Golden Temple, called as Thada Sahib Ji. As Sri Guru Ram Das Ji used to supervise the construction of Gurdwara Sahib and excavations of Sarovar Sahib. Holy Pothis Sahib bought from Goindwal Sahib were kept here in order to edit Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Golden Temple looks beautiful at night time and early morning as reflection reflected in the Sarovar water. Anjani Beri is considered to be sacred and contains miraculous power. According to legend, the leper husband of Bibi Rajni was cured by taking a dip in the pond near the tree. When Guru Ram Das Ji heard of this miracle, he decided to develop the reservoir into a proper bathing tank. The tree was named as Dukh Panjani, which means eradicator of suffering. Next we went to Gurdwara Baba Deep Singh Sahib. Lalkar Sahib Gurdwara is in Taran city. Here Baba Deep Singh Ji draw a line on a land that those want to be Shaheed while fighting against Mughal Empire's army to save Sri Darbar Sahib, Golden Temple, Amritsar. Next we went to Khadur Sahib, Khu Sahib Bibi Amroji. Bibi Amroji is daughter of second Guru, Sri Guru Angad Dev Ji. The Khu was historical well, got dug by Bibi Amroji, but the water of well was saline. On the request of the followers of Guruji, Guru Sahib provided a log of wood which was thrown into the well and water became worth drinking. 8 Guru Sahiban with their visit to the place made this land a holy place. Next we went to Gurdwara Sri Thada Sahib Ji. It's situated in the Sri Khadur Sahib district Taran. Sri Guru Amar Das Ji used to bring water daily for bath of Sri Guru Angad Dev Ji on foot from river Byas. Sri Guru Amar Das Ji used to worship here in the free time. Next we went to Gurdwara Damdama Sahib. Is the place where Guru Amar Das Ji took rest under a tree about 1.5 miles from Goindwal. Next we went to Gurdwara Angitha Sahib. It is a historical fact that Sri Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj lived at Khadur Sahib for a long period. The place where Guruji last sacred rites were performed is given name to Angitha Sahib. We visited the museum in Gurdwara Sahib. Pictures showing the Sikh history. Next we went to Gurdwara Govindal Sahib. Govindal Sahib, Gurdwara Sahib on the bank of river Vyas. Guru Amar Das Ji, the third Guru, stayed in Govindal for 33 years. A boli means step well, paved with 84 steps was constructed. Sikhs believe that reciting Japji Sahib, the Devan word revealed of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, at each of the 84 steps after taking bath in the boli Sahib provides moksha means mukti, liberation from 84 lakh cycle of life. Way to Woli Sahib. Next we went to Chulna Mahal Sahib, Thatti Khada, 6 kilometers away from Taran Taran Sahib. Guru Arjan Dev Ji would hold Diwan for Sangat to provide education and guidance on spiritual matter. Once Diwan was in progress, the Mughal force of Empire Jahangir passed nearby. Mughal army had elephant, horse and soldier, and the Sangat was distracted. When Guru Arjan Dev Ji asked why the Sangat distracted, they said they were looking at tall elephant. Guru Arjan Dev Ji said he would build an object. The wood, the wood last longer than elephant and created a short wall as high as tallest elephant for the Sangat to climb up and sit on. After Bhaichi Ardas, wall feels like that they sat on elephant for a ride and feels jerks. Next we went to Gurdwara Taran Taran Sahib. Guru Arjan Dev Ji started digging a holy sarovar Taran Taran, which means the boat that takes one across in 1590. 6 years later, he laid the foundation stone on the city, which is now known as Taran Taran Sahib. It is the holiest city, Sikh city, and Taran Taran Sarovar is the largest Sarovar, Sikh holy Sarovar. It is nearly rectangular in shape and its northern and southern side measuring 289 meter and 283 meters. This is the museum inside the Gurdwara Sahib. The picture showing Sikh history.
मैं बहुत ले लूंगा जी।
On that day, Guru Parab, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. That's why the golden temple decorated with the lights. This is the another berry tree in Sri Harmandir Sahib. It's Berry Baba Butta Ji. Next we went to Gurdwara Sahib, Guru Ke Mahal. It's nearby Golden Temple, Gurdwara Sahib. That day was Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, Guru Parab, and who was born on here on Basakhi. Next we went to Toba Pai Saloji Gurdwara Sahib. It is located near Gurdwara Guru Ke Mahal, the place of pond who Pai Saloji used to stay. Pai Saloj very famous and great Sikh during the time of Guru Ramdas Ji, Guru Arjan Dev Ji and Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji. Next we went to Gurdwara Santokhsar Sahib, Gurdwara Tali Sahib. When Guru Ramdas had not yet ascended to the Gaddi, he came here to find out a place for execution of the holy tank on instruction from Guru Amar Das Ji and got started execution holy tank Sarovar. And this tank is the first holy tank in the Sikh history. When Guru Arjan Dev was getting the place dug, Guru Arjan Dev Ji found a yogi meditating here for long time and waiting for a guru to give him salvation. He disclosed his name as Santokha and then breathed his last. The tank was the name of Santokhsar. Baba Buddha Ji was appointed to supervisor the work of construction and the work of execution of the tank, Santokhsar and Amritsar, and completed unfinished work. Guru Arjan Dev Ji used to sit under tali trees. Hence, the Gurdwara Sahib is also known as Gurdwara Sri Tali Sahib Ji. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.